The business opportunity of the photos or video is making and selling crafts to both local and foreigner customers. I'm the one with the business idea. It is located in Chianyawara and Kasisi villages. The business is already running. It is like 15 years old. What they have discovered in the past 10 years through selling crafts, both local people and the foreigners love buying crafts, and they are very cheap and very easy to carry in their luggages, especially the ones who come to Uganda and travel back home. So not only that, I'm targeting to cooperate, to work with my surrounding community, since we are bordering Valley National Park, to conserve the forest, which means that if given me employment in my business, very few people will go to encroach on the national park. The challenges the business I'm going to face is market and the capital that is already in the business is not enough, so I need more to be invested. The amount I really wanted originally was 10 million. But when I looked at the situation, I had to scale down to 3 million to expand, to add more, to add value to my business, like buying extra materials, training my craft makers since they are made from the villages. I don't buy them elsewhere other than training the women to make them. But the way I'm going to divide up my money is in 3 groups. One is for making baskets, another one is for making necklaces, another one is for making shoes, so that I have variety in my gift shop. And also, of course, every business, you need to advertise it. So right now we are working on the mercy of God. We have not really advertised properly. We are using word of mouth, but we would love to reach more people in any sense. So the solution that the loan would provide is reaching more people in the villages by giving them employment to improve on their livelihoods.